Game failing to initialize because of the CUDA BLAS 64 DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming. This DLL file is the NVIDIA CUDA Basic Linear Algebra Subprograms Library. It is used by games and scientific apps to perform high-speed matrix math on the GPU, powering features like ray tracing and AI-driven physics. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. The CUDA BLAS 64 11DLL is commonly required by games and graphics applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores legacy DirectX runtime files, while updating your GPU drivers resolves OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA dependencies. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the CUDA BLAS 64 component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Be aware that manual interventions for the CUDA BLAS 64 11DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining the CUDA BLAS 64. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved your NVIDIA CUDA Toolkit workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.